In today's video, I will show you step by step how to export a section of a video from CapCut on a PC. To demonstrate how to export a part of a video, the first thing I will do is import a video from my channel, drag it onto the timeline, and make some edits. I'll extract the audio, shorten it a bit, cut the video into several parts, and add some transitions. Now that the video is ready for export, I won't use the export option in the upper right corner, as that would render the entire video, and we don't want that. We only want to render a specific part of the entire video. To achieve this, we will select the portion we want to render, for example, the middle part. Right-click on it, go to Range, and choose the option Select an Area by Clip. As you can see, the selected part now has a start and end marker, indicating where the video will begin and end after rendering. You can also move these markers if you want to render a different part of the video. Clicking the Cancel button will remove these markers. Another way to mark the part of the video you want to render is by using the I and O keys on your keyboard. After selecting the portion you want to render, click the Export button in the upper right corner. Then, all you need to do is choose the export settings you want, and click the Export button, and your video will be successfully rendered. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.